Oh my God! Oh my God! Welcome to another episode of Personal Chef Service. Yeah. You know I'm here with my Canadian guests here. Today is the final day of service. I've been cooking for them for 2 weeks. I haven't posted anything, but definitely you'll be seeing what I was doing. All right. Unfortunately, we are having some bad weather, so I couldn't get the video or shopping for this occasion. But I'll be showing you actually my returning guests. Remember, yeah, so people, say already here inside the complex now, alright? Yeah man, say yeah man, tell a friend about the best personal chef service in Jamaica, alright? Yeah, so so these persons, yeah, they were here 2 months ago. Oh my God, yeah, and this time, she bring her entire family for me to provide service for 2 weeks here. Alright, and I really appreciate that, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so big up all the people from Canada, you understand? So all Canadians, if you're visiting Jamaica and you want to book my service, all you gotta do is send me an email, alright? It will be in the description to book my service or send me an email. Yeah, remember to follow me on all social media platforms. Cool? If there's any question that you want to ask, don't be afraid to drop in the comment section, alright? So yeah man, so welcome to another edition of Personal Chef Service. Yeah, with Chef Light, the Rasta. Random I'm in an event. Oh my God. That's a code. So one thing we need to tell each and every one out. Yeah man, believe in one thing. Never stop there. Just keep going. Yeah, all when the road look rough and tough. Just keep moving forward. Alright. That is it. That is it. Oh my God. Little fried rice here, some barbecue chicken, and get mac and cheese, and some lemon, butter shrimp, and like that. Yeah, cold for them is very like that. So you work Alright, yeah, the fried rice is ready. You understand, people? See? Nice barbecue chicken ready. Oh my God! And some nice coconut, lemon shrimp. Oh my God, hope I'm mac and cheese. Hope I'm mac and cheese. Oh my God, don't y'all want some of this good stuff? Yeah, if y'all want some of this good stuff, y'all remember to book the service, alright? This personal chef service in Jamaica. And that's about it. Oh my God, let's go. Yeah, man. Alright.
So you put the back internet and go over to the cell.
Awesome. You know what I'm gonna ask you? Yeah. Right we're here, I'm gonna interview you, yeah?
Oh my God.
Alright, no problem, right? Oh my God! Welcome to another episode of Personal Chef Service with yourself, by the way. So right now they are iron for and I'm currently preparing meals. Now we're able to preparing meals, for about 2 weeks for my returning clients, alright? Yeah, all the way my channel. So I have all the content, so please just look out. I'll be posting them Alright, you see everything. Okay. Yeah, all the dinners that have to here to this family. Okay. Oh my god, so remember. So like share to the friend, go to this personal trip service, not to me. Alright. Yeah, oh my god. Nice, but my prepared plantain with curd with lunch menu will be cooking some cordials and steam basmati rice and some cabbage, alright? Yeah. Yeah, and I'll be serving that with some mice minus light cheese, okay? Yes, so remember if you ever do some Jamaican in your Airbnb in a villa, yeah, just send me an email or send me a message on Instagram or TikTok or wherever, you know what I'm saying? Oh my god. Yeah, one thing. Yeah, now you do. Oh my god. Yes, come on now, people do this to the cars right now. Now, finish this. Yeah, you know, oh my god. Yeah, more than close member. This way, alright. So that's it. 10 minutes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Another great one. Alright, another great one. Yeah man, keep it for everybody. Wait, see, I love it. You love the curry boy?
Oh, yes. I'm going soft.
Oh my god.
I mean, I could do my friend of the guy soft like this.
Oh my god. Well, I am really glad that your daughter bring you to Jamaica for me to cook for y'all. And I really appreciate providing service, y'all. Oh my god. Next time I come here, you're with a wait no longer, okay? Oh my god. You know, dinner for my returning guests, alright?